Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. So yeah, this is a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Y'all, this week, it's not as good as it was last week. Not unless you still have some Crest, coupons, If you got some Crest coupons, then you probably can make a deal work with the overage and everything. And hopefully, y'all, Saturday, when I try to put a deal together, they do not take the 5 off of 25 digital. But you know what? I got my backups. I made sure that I put my 5 off of 25 paper coupon in my binder, okay? Well, my little folder that I have. Well, it's a little binder that I have when I take with me when I do my couponing. And hopefully, y'all, nothing else goes wrong, because it is just crazy. They bought back, they took away the 5 off of 25 that morning, and then by that afternoon or whatever, then they're going to try to give it back to us. And I was like, you know what? I don't even have time to go back out because I'm tired. I wanted to get everything done in the morning, get it over with, and be done with it. Don't have to worry about, going into the store, fooling with a whole lot of people. Because some people don't know how to get out of the way, But that's another story. So, y'all, let's go ahead and get to this video. This right here, these 3 items is not on the low, okay? But for me, it is on the low. Because, anything up under $10 is on the low. Up under $5 to me is on the low. But I'll tell you the reason why mine is on the low, okay? So first, let's go ahead and tell you about the Bounty. The Bounty Essential paper towels, they are $5.75. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. And I am so glad for some Bounty, okay? Or something else. Then, the next thing I got was these Ajax, okay? You can either get Ajax or the Palmolive. And these are I think they're the 50, let's see. They're the 52-ounce triple action for the Ajax. And it's the same thing over here. This store y'all went to, it was a hot mess. Everything was still in the boxes. I was trying to find things, couldn't find things. Nothing was on the shelves. When I mean these shelves was clear, these shelves was clear. So I should have taken pictures so you all can see. But I know y'all got Dollar Generals that is the same way. Everything is in the boxes, in the aisles, on the little skirt thing that they have, or whatever you want, a cork thing that they have. And then the shelves are clear. It's crazy. It looks like they only put up the stuff that they think somebody is going, the people coming there to buy. So the Ajax, they are buy one Ajax or Palmolive and you get one with the coupon free. So they are, they are $4.25. So, but the coupon only takes off $3.50. That's it. And I thought they was $3.50. But you know what? Sometimes these prices, they fluctuate. They just, I don't even have time for it, okay? So, and then, y'all, I had, from last Saturday, when I did the game deal, I had my $5.01 coupon. So I used that on this transaction. So it did go through. My subtotal is $4.75, and everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. So there is the Bounty Essential, $5.75, and you see the store discount that is from that $5.01 coupon that I got last week. And then there is the $1 off digital. Then there's the 2 Ajax. They rung up for $4.25 when you buy 2. You see that price. Then there's the rest of the store discount. Then the $3.50 came off on the buy one, get one free digital coupon. You might as well say there's my subtotal, $4.75. Everybody's taxes is different. And then look at the total savings, $9.50. Now, this Dollar General that I went to, Lord Jesus, that's all I'm going to say. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. And then y'all see I did have a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, but y'all, I heard and tore that off and put it in my binder so I wouldn't forget it. Okay, so like I said, if you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss London's channel.